If you've ever had a buck step out when you weren't ready, you already know why the right gear can make or break your entire hunt. Today, we're diving into a full men's outdoor clothing haul from Bassdash.com. I am going to be unboxing their latest hunting ready apparel and taking it straight into the real outdoor scenarios. I'm talking stealth, comfort, weather protection, and whether this gear actually holds up when you're trekking through the brush, climbing stands, or waiting out that perfect shot. From camo layers designed to break your silhouette to outerwear built for cold, damp mornings, we're putting all of it to the test. You'll see the pieces up close, then watch them in action so you can decide if Bassdash gear deserves a spot in your pack this season. There's also a huge Black Friday sale going on, so don't wait. The sizes are selling out fast. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Before we get started, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a review, a haul, or a real world outdoor test. Let's jump in. First, you're gonna see this hoodie. This hoodie is gorgeous. Steve is gonna look so good in this when he is out hunting. I like the hood and I like the attention to detail with the straps on the hood. And the camo color is gonna blend him right in. Also have these gloves built for cold winter mornings when you're sitting in your tree stand waiting out that big buck. Let's take these outdoors. Use a bow with those.
Outside where there's snow.
Yeah.
Milled that with my miller.
Sweet.
Alaskan chainsaw. See this little vent right here on there? I just milled this real quick. Okay. Little vent. Yeah.
That's really cool.
Well, it's stuck to it because it's frozen here. This is my miller thing right here. This is top rail. Walking them okay?
Well, they're big.
Really?
So I'm walking in muck boots that are 10 times too big for my feet.
Okay. So this is the first time you've ever wore muck boots?
This is the first time I've ever worn muck boots.
You've never been in muck before?
I have never been in muck.
You've never been in muck and muck boots?
I know. Dad was a hunter,
First
and I have
time ever?
never been in muck.
Your dad never took you out?
Never took me hunting.
Well,
Well, all right, wait. I take that back. He took me hunting once when I was a kid, and I faked being sick so I didn't have to go to school, and he had no choice but to take me, but he left me sitting in the car while he went hunting. That was the age I lived in. You could leave your kid in an unattended car.
Don't fall in the ditch. 8, 10 times, they ain't got no dead deer. Look at that beautiful sunset. All right, now we're going to go for a walk.
Uh-oh. I'm going for a walk in the woods with muck boots
Yeah, you'll be
that are 5 times too big.
right. Walk down here for a second. Walk down here.
All right.
There, I got some bait and stuff, and I got right here is where my garden goes. Let's go out to here. This is where it goes out. This is where I start hunting. See, like in here, see these trees right here? Mm-hmm. See some of these trees? Look at this tree right here. It's not a little small tree. It's been growing since the 1940s. Way back 25, 30 years ago. We dug this whole thing. Actually, Tasco was here helping me. See some of these pine trees. Look how beautiful they are. Some of these, the leaves. Extraction chip. killed deer. Right there over there, they got a tree stand right over there. Oh no!
Is there something out there?
Oh no!
What?
Oh no!
No what?
The tree, my tree stand. Oh,
Oh no.
it's ruined.
Your tree stand's ruined?
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh, it has a tree stand. Look at that. Oh my god! It killed me.
That was your tree stand?
Yeah, I'd have been dead for sure. Look how big the tree ain't dead or nothing.
Oh my.
Stand right here, Michelle.
So that whole tree.
Come over here. Look, this is only part of it. Look at this fucking tree. Look at this thing. It broke right here. Right there, look. Look, it's still alive.
Oh my
It's a
God.
massive tree. You'd have never thought it would have ever broke. I put my tree stand right here. Look, I shot my doe right up there, that great big giant doe. Shot right up in that trail right there. Would have landed, I would have killed me for sure. I was in that when that happened, I'd have been dead.
Oh
I'd come
my
right down,
God.
it killed me instantly. Look at that.
That was the tree stand.
Shine it up through there. Look how big that tree is. Look how huge this is. I'm gonna mill this into boards.
You got no
It's
choice
huge.
almost
It's
now.
tiny. It's not real good for burning.
Wow.
Down, look, shining up that tree. Stand over here. And
Yeah, where was your tree?
went up and it was a Y tree. You know what I mean? That's the other half of it. Look at that. Wow. Giant, it's massive. I was
So your tree
I've been
stand
hunting,
came
I've killed-
crashing
Joe,
down.
my boy, has killed 2-3 deer. Joe's killed 2-3 deer out of that, and I've killed several deer right here. Right out of that tree stand. I just put it there a few years ago.
Must have been the
It's
last
That's a
windstorm.
really expensive, yeah. It's a really expensive tree stand. Ruined. Wow. Now, I've been dead for sure. I just killed a deer out of it too the other day. Like even a week ago. I've been hunting out of that.
So you were in that tree stand literally a week
yeah.
ago.
Look at that split right there. Too. Look at that. That thing's big. You know how old that tree is? It's weathered all kinds of storms. That is something else. I was just looking over, through the woods, going, "Where's my tree?" Because I can usually see it.
Mm-hmm.
And I go, "Where's my tree stand?" And I was, "Oh, something looks weird over there." Oh, yeah, that's why. Look at that. Did you shine it up through that way?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Look at this deer track right here. Fresh deer track. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. You see that? Those are fresh deer tracks.
Oh yeah.
Bassdash. Is that the same thing this is?
Bassdash.
Bassdash.
Bassdash. Those gloves are cool. Are there pointers on there? Like,
Put it back in there. It's nice and warm. There we go. Ready?
yes.
I like this bow from your dad. And first time I hunted with it. Only hunted with it one time with one arrow. And got one deer. And almost got 2 deer. Because I shot the first deer within 5 minutes, 10 minutes of driving to my tree stand. And then I went and got the arrow out of the deer. And put it back on the bow and sat down and almost shot another one at dark.
That's
I was
awesome.
waiting for a buck to come through, but so, almost got 2 deer.
But he had it adjusted almost perfectly for you,
Oh, yeah,
right?
it shot real perfect. It shoots real nice. It's a real nice bow. I'm gonna kill lots of deer with this. I'm gonna get a big buck with it. I probably could have got a big buck with it this year if I'd hunted more. And who knows if I'd have let that doe go by, maybe I'd have got a buck that day. But I didn't get 0 last year, so I'm getting
I know.
0 again this
You
year.
way beat this last year from this year.
Yep. So,
Because how many did you get with that bow?
I've only hunted once with this. One hunt with 1 arrow, 1 hunt, and I got 1 deer.
Okay. But the shotgun you got.
Shotgun, I hunted 1 day with the gun, and I shot 1 gun bullet and got 1 doe. Same thing there too.
Cool.
I'll show you a different couple ways. It's nice and warm this way.
Covers your
And
face.
Like this. Capture that sunset for me.
It's cool. I really like that sweatshirt. How it covers up your face. Keeps you warm.
It's gonna be nice for hunting, really.
All right, y'all. That wraps up today's Bassdash haul. If you saw anything you liked, don't wait. Sizes always sell out fast, especially this time of the year. So click that link, get in there, and shop before your favorites disappear. And if you want more honest gear reviews and real-world outdoor tests, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and check out my other playlists. Remember, Bassdash, gear up, get out, and go wild.